Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am planning for the second week of March 2020. The dates are the 8th through the 14th. And I am using the Fun Florals sticker book. And these florals are honestly my top 3 favorite flower stickers that the Happy Planner has ever made. I just love the shade of this purple mixed with the greens and pinks. It's just really beautiful and bright and cheery and happy and everything. So I'm using these stickers, and I have whited out that top corner so that I could use my own sticker for the month. And I am just laying them pretty much on each corner of the page and layering them and like grouping them and just working really slowly so that I can figure out the perfect combination and placement of each of the flowers. And I'm just taking my time. I feel like recently I've been making a few different spreads and rushing through them just so that I can film a lot at one time while my dogs are sleeping, and then at the end I end up not really liking it that much. So I really want to take my time because I'm really excited for these florals and then the other book that I'm going to be using with it. And I want it to be what I'm actually envisioning and not feel like I could have done better kind of thing. So I'm not always like this, but I definitely want it just to turn out good. So anyways, enough rambling. Enjoy watching me, you know, stick all the stickers down, and I'll be back once all of them are down, and then I can talk you through how I'm placing down everything else on the spread. I decided to make different days of the weeks just because I really like the font of the handwritten plan sticker book. So I just decided to just do that just because. And then I'm using the planning guiding sheets, which is just this thick plastic. And I'm going through the new Happy Goals? Happy Goals sticker book, and literally just pulling out all the stickers that could potentially match what I'm doing and putting them down so that I'm not going to be flipping through the sticker book a million times while I'm filming. Instead, I'm just going to pull out what could work, and then as the week goes on, and also of course while I'm filming, I can just pick from what I've already pulled out of the book, which makes things very easy. I actually like it a little bit more because I'm able to focus more on placement instead of finding the perfect sticker because I've already pulled out everything that could potentially work. So once all of those are pulled out and I know for a fact that I have everything that I need, I just put the book away and then I can actually plan. So I start by trying to find a few different boxes. So, like one, for instance, I need to stretch across the top because my husband is going to be traveling. He's just going to be in South Carolina, so only, an hour away or whatever. But for work, and then I need a box for, of course, the sidebar for like a to do list. Then I'm able to start. In my mind, I just feel like those are the two big things happening this week, and then I can start kind of decorating and putting the functional pieces down and layering and grouping like I want. And putting this goal sticker up at the top instead of like a regular just black to do sticker, I thought added a little pop of color. And I'm really excited because the sticker book that I'm using to couple with it, which is Happy Goals, has honestly the perfect shades of green, pink, and purple. So it's really working out perfectly. And literally, as I am filming this, I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. Like, I'm so excited. So, sticking down this, I think it says positive affirmations. And honestly, Tuesdays are a pretty lame day. I've never really liked Tuesdays, and they end up never really having much happen. So I put that down so that it can kind of fill up a large portion of the page. But then I also found that that could be a nice little positive little affirmation that I could give myself for this week. When I'm alone for like a large portion of the week without my husband, it's kind of lonely, not gonna lie, but putting down little things and having planning is a special thing that I have just for myself, and I can just come in my planning room and get away and just have fun and be creative and really enjoy my time alone. I pop on either like Netflix or YouTube or just Pandora and just listen to whatever just in the background and have a good time. Also, this love your life and if you don't change it quote was like perfect. It's something that kind of spoke to me, and of course, it had the perfect shade of green, so I stuck that down. And I'm really recently into a lot of layering, so I layered that long pink sticker along with that long purple box. So I thought that was cute. Then this is something that I really like. I really, really, really like the clear black quotes, which I've said a bajillion times, because you can layer them with like the cutest stickers ever and it just works. Like it just looks like it was meant to be like that. So really happy with how that turned out. Then, of course, gotta use my favorite washi of all time. It's just so simple and fun, and it can go with like any spread. So I put that down at the bottom. I try so hard practically every single week to have a white space planner, but it just doesn't work. I am just a no white space planner through and through. I can't help it. I see an open space and I want to stick something down. We have like hundreds of sticker books, all of us happy planner girls, and we want to use the stickers. I mean, come on. I can't get myself to use like 5 stickers on one page and have all of this open space. I just can't do it. So that's why I put that washi down, and I'm happy with it. I'm not going to lie. So I am putting the finishing touches, trying to figure out if there's anything else I want to fill in any of the space or if I should just wait. And of course, I have a few smaller stickers left on the planning guide, but I think I'm just going to wait. I'm going to hold out and see what the week has in store, and then I'll put more of those down. But more than likely, I'll end up using all of them. So that's it. I am so happy with how it turned out. I love it so, so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love making these for y'all. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.